When we first started back in '79, the reliability of the product was always a question mark since it was a new product to the U.S. market. We just asked people to take a little bit of a leap of faith, give us a try and see what they thought, and it's delivered on just about every customer we've ever sold a truck to.
The reliability of the UniCarriers has done well from the standpoint of dependability and customers being down. So when you're not down, you have more time for production, takes care of their customers, they're able to get products out, and just more successful, more even flow.
It's a fantastic piece of machinery. When we send it out, we're confident it's going to work. We have very, if any, warranty issues on it. Your transmission, your differential, your engine, they're just the best in the industry. And we know when we pull that truck out there, it doesn't matter who we're competing against, nobody's going to beat us. Nobody's going to have a higher quality than what the UniCarriers can bring. So we're proud to sell it. We look at it as if you need something to do a job with high hours, tough application, this is your forklift because it works very well.
The reliabilities of the UniCarrier product has helped our customers meet their goals by providing uptime, not causing maintenance issues, being very easy to operate, very ergonomic. The truck is built like a tank and gives us, great comfort to have the truck running in all kinds of operations.